Hi guys. Well, I am here with another fun unboxing of September's Your Creative Studio box. And it already looks super cute from her card. It's got a tiny little squirrel with some strawberries, and it says be playful, be curious. So I'm feeling playful. Okay. Well, obviously there's this pretty paper, and I'm gonna be mean and put this out of the frame so I can make you properly appreciate each item singly. Antique bookstore, material paper of retro page. Okay, this looks like a fun paper pad. The Wind in a Frolic. It's a poem. Okay, so there's, looks like, yeah, several copies, 3 copies of each one. Oh, and it's got really cute and slightly different colored paper. That's nice for a little variety. Little verses for very little people. The Sad Heart of a Little Trot. Cinderella. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Really neat. Flower Fairies of the Wayside. I think I got that one in the last, well, in some other paper packet, because I recognize that illustration. Oh, this is really fun. I love it. I love children's books still. I still read them. In fact, I'm reading a young adult novel right now, or actually a middle grade novel. Anywho, okay, first thing, very fun. Let's reach in here. Black and white. Masking tape. Oh, it's like super skinny. Nice. Oh, I love these. And black and white, that'll match pretty much anything. But it's got little tiny feathers, like the illustration here. So, neat. Ooh, another, oh no, this is paper. Paper hidden copies. Looks like tickets. Oh, neat. Each piece is a ticket. Oh, well, no, that's 3 tickets. Dodgers baseball ticket. Reserved seat at the Jimi Hendrix Experience. Disneyland. And a train somewhere. Grandstand, unreserved. Yankee Stadium. Oh, these are very fun. And I like that they're colorful too. All different colors. Whee! Cool. Okay, what else? Oh, it's the little squirrel. Oh my God, that's so cute. Okay, so it's like little papers in a egg shape, I guess, or an acorn shape or something. Doesn't matter. It's super cute. I love it. And they're nice papers too. A little thicker than the other papers. Okay. Ooh, a cling stamp. Is it of a squirrel? Oh, it is cute. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Very fun. Another cling stamp. This looks like another squirrel, maybe just his face. No, it's from the front. Oh, fun. Very cute. And the last package had 3. These things seem to come in 3s, so we'll see if there's another one. Well, it's not this one. Lace. Oh, interesting. It's paper lace. So it won't add any thickness. Very pretty though, I like it. Nice. I don't think I have any paper lace. I have one washi that's sort of lace-ish, but not like that. That's more delicate. Okay. What else? Oh, stickers. Cute. Little acorns, a mushroom, couple mushrooms, some oak leaves, and squirrels. Nice. And vintage tag, the flowers highlights. Okay. Maybe it'll help with this one. Ooh, wow, those are gorgeous. So they each have a hole on the top, so they're like tags. You could use them as tags. They're blank on the back. Oh yeah, some of them have the traditional tag shape. Now I can't find one. There we go. But they're all different scenes with flowers. Oh, those are really beautiful. Really fun. Some music ones. So yeah, these will pretty much go with anything, in my mind. Oh, cute mushrooms. There's a caterpillar. Should we look at more of these? Oh, okay, so the second half is like craft paper. Nice. Very nice. Such detail, such tiny little details. I love them. Wow, I have never seen anything like that. Just, you know, in an Etsy store. That's one thing I'm finding with these kits is they are quite unique. You don't find them anywhere else. Okay, a couple more things. Ooh, some stamps. Stamps and a postcard. I see the bird. There's a giraffe. Ooh, pretty. I wonder if these are based on real stamps. They look like totally real stamps. And from all over. I see German. Is that Korean, maybe? Malta. Posta Romana. Is that Italy? And it's like animals and botanicals and nature scenes. Really fun. Oh, cool. Oh, I can't wait to use these. I've been wanting to make tags lately. Fun. Okay. What else we got? I'm not sure. Stickers? Squirrel stickers? Oh, okay. Kind of a variety of stickers on craft colored paper or craft paper colored paper. Cool. Typewriter. Quill pen. So yeah, it's kind of a mix of stuff. A castle. A teeny castle. And there's that cute chipmunk squirrel. I guess it's a squirrel. Oh, a bunny. Cute bunny. Postmark. Big postmark. Berries. Bumblebee. Another postmark. Happy holidays. So there's a few that could be considered Christmassy in here. Little house. Very fun. Oh, I see an owl. Cool. Oh my god, that's the cutest little owl. Isn't it adorable? Cool. And oh, some nice paper, like handmade paper. Mulberry paper, could this be? That's what it looks like. Nice. Oh, it feels like one big sheet. Nope. Nope. It's several little sheets. Oh, and it's thin enough you can almost see through it. Fun. Okay, and there's one more thing. Oh, vintage notepad. This looks adorable. Ooh. Is it all the same? Oh no, it's different. There's three different pictures. Oh, that's gorgeous paper. I love the color. And it's pretty neutral. It'll go with anything. Oh, those are really fun. I love it. I think I love this box even more than last month. I might have to just subscribe for several more months. Because I wonder what she does at holiday time. You know, if she does Christmassy or Halloweenish stuff. see if I can fit everything in the window, in the frame here, so you can see all of it at once. I'll move it down a little bit. There we go. So, 2 paper pads, one small one even smaller one, some tape, some stamp stickers, a sheet of cute acorn and squirrel stickers, some paper tags, some super cute stamps of squirrels, and some handmade paper. Very cool. I love it. I love this subscription. It's like the best subscription I've ever gotten anywhere for paper stuff. So yeah, there you go. September 2021's Your Creative Studio. So I guess that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.